Alright, let's turn this into this. Hey there, so I'm trying to make a thumbnail here in Inkscape, and I have this problem that I just see everything, even though I'm using a bitmap as a basis and I want to only use part of it, so I'm scaling it up, but I don't know what is the document I'm seeing right now. Where are my borders? Of course, you can show the borders if you go to Document Settings, in File Document Properties, or Ctrl-Shift-D as I always use it. So in Document Properties, you can enable, down here, border on top of drawing, which helps not really. Just look at this image. It consists of lines. It's annoying. So the workaround is to create a big rectangle using the rectangle tool, as big as you want the border to be. Then hit Ctrl-Shift-A or go to Object, Align and Distribute. And then just relative to page, align it, center it. And then just duplicate it with Ctrl-D. Here I can move it around now. Change the X position to 0, the Y position to 0. I'm switching with Tab between these fields. Set width to whatever your frame size is, height to whatever your frame size is. It's 1080 for me. And now click the big one, Shift-click the small one, and then Control-. Or if you don't like keyboards, go to Path and use Difference. Nice, right? But the problem is when you start trying to move things around, you will move the border away by accident. So now go to Layers, which you can access in Layer, Layers, or Ctrl-Shift-L, and create a new layer. Let's call this Border. That's what I call it usually. Then click on the object, the outline, the passepartout as Blender calls it, right-click it, and select Move to Layer and double-click Border. Now it's here. Make sure to set the lock on border, and sometimes I see issues with that, so before you do that, actually click on an object that is not on the border layer, then lock it, and you're done. I can now move this around, clicking through this border, and I have this blockage that prevents me from seeing what I will not see in the end result. Hope this helps. Give this video a like, and until next time, ciao.